We've got a brand new product drop today on Bar Down Baits, guys. 8-Bit Baits is dropping 25 new colors of, and I said this on my last show, I've fallen in love with these things, these Siren scales. Guys, what I'm gonna do today, it's gonna be another one of those reference videos, just like I did with the moon dust. Unfortunately, with 25, that would take multiple episodes. I've picked out 5. I'm just gonna do the same sort of procedure as I did with that moon dust. Half a cup of plastisol. We're gonna add in our product. I'm gonna add in a couple drops. I'm gonna shoot it in one particular bait today. We're gonna show off that bait, and we are gonna show off the Siren scales. Now, you guys can get a good look at these, and I think he's dropping these either on Tuesday or Wednesday. This video is coming out on Wednesday, so they could be live. So make sure to head over to 8-Bit Baits. I'll leave some links down in the description so you can head on over there. Let me show you guys what we are gonna be doing today. We are gonna be looking at Amethyst right there. We are also gonna be looking at the Abyss. I love these things. We are going to be looking at Twilight. Really hard choices to pick from, guys, and I just kind of went through the box and just grabbed what I thought. What does that say? Freemont Street? Fremont Street. And last but not least, Captain R. Those are gonna be our 5. The majority of this show is gonna be bait build cam, okay? I'm gonna put in the product, I'm gonna add the drops of black, I'm gonna showcase it. You guys know how the bait build cam goes. And then, guys, I am gonna absolutely forego any sort of shooting today. We're gonna be doing bait build, and then we're gonna get to the demolding part, right? And then I'm gonna show the bait off, and we can talk about this, and then it's gonna be a quick one, hopefully, okay? Guys, stay tuned. Again, brand new launch, 8-Bit Baits. It's hot off the press, guys. Stay tuned for this one. This one's gonna be a good one. Let's get that bait build cam coming at ya. Okay, guys, we are live. Obviously, today's show, I think a perfect fitting, is gonna be sponsored by 8-Bit Baits. Let me get you guys in on that right there. That right there is your Amethyst. Okay, so let's get a big old dash in there, and then we're gonna add half a cup of plastic. What's the right number? I think we're gonna start with 2. A big old dash. This was fluffy. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. I think a dash is enough. No, we're just gonna leave it as a dash, right? Again, this is just kind of baseline, how I do the color builds, and then you guys get to decide what you wanna add. Let's get those stirred in. And you can see we got the clumps there. You guys see those clumps? Remember I was talking about how they clump up? They will, over time, break up. Got to kind of get aggressive with the stirring. Probably going to add some bubbles into this. That guy does not want to break up. There, I just got to smash him. We are going to back these out, so those will break up, but maybe I should leave some big clumps in there. Anyway, okay, let's get we're going to start with 2 drops of black. 1, 2. Okay, 3. Oh yeah, cool. You guys see the purple? Amethyst. Yeah, that reminds me of that jig head paint that, God, I think I did that the other day. There is our Amethyst. Absolutely gorgeous. Cool. Okay, let's move on. We are going to do now, hold on, where's my cup? I gotta be careful. Okay, we'll get that off to the side. New cup of plastic. We are ready to go. And now we are showcasing. Let me get in on the cover here. This one right here is called Twilight. Let's do that same thing, guys. Sorry, I know I'm off camera right now, but I just want to keep my ducks in a row with these covers and all that stuff. Let's do another dash. And we are going to go 2 drops of black. I think that, I don't know if that third one was a little over the top. Heaping dash, you guys. heaping dash. We'll stir that in. Or do we just do 1 drop of black? No, 2 drops of black. What was this one again? This one right here is Twilight. I'm seeing pinks in that. Pink, green. Really cool stuff. Okay, let's get our black in there. 1, 2, that's it. 2. I think 2 is plenty. For a half a cup. Yes. Oh, look at that chunk. Oh my gosh, purple. Purple, pink. Really cool stuff. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to shoot these, and I'm going to heat up some more plastisol. We'll get you guys back for the rest of this. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we're back again. Just a teaser off camera. I have shot these. Lord have mercy. This one, I said, Captain R. Let's see what this guy. We're going to go the same formula, right, guys? We're going to do a dash, and then 2 drops. There it is on that black cover. 2 drops of black. We might have a little cross-contamination on our dasher here. I'm not worried about it. Heaping. You guys saw that, right? That was pretty heaping. The baits looked really good when I shot it off camera. Let's go right now. 1, 2. Okay, there we go. Let's get these bad boys stirred in. Captain R. These are so cool. I was one of the last YouTube guys to kind of get my hands and really use these Siren scales. These things are so cool. I guess, gosh, at first I was like, I don't know if I like these because they're just so, you know what I mean? Like these big things. But man, you put them in baits and it's like, it's hard to describe. You got to use them to really appreciate them. Okay, let's keep the show moving. That was Captain R. 2 drops of black. Let's get you guys into frame. Right there. What are we doing next? This one right here, that's on a white backer. This one is Freemont Street, and I will show you guys the black top as well. Just a little preview. Oh boy. Oh, lordy. I like the black backer quite a bit better. That's obviously why we're adding black as a backer. Let's go another heaper. Oh my Lord, come on. You guys saw, that was heaping. Let's add our black. And let's stir it in. Okay, where are we at here? Here we go. One, 2, and that's all she wrote. Let's stir this one in. Freemont Street looks pretty funky. Go, oh boy. Okay. Come on, clumper. I'm leaving the big clumps. I'm not even vacuuming this stuff. I just we're going right through this. We're going to just trudge right through this. We're going to leave some of these bigger ones just to show you guys. I think it actually adds a pretty cool effect to the baits. That one is obscene. That one is obscene how big it is. That one needs to get broken up. I think with all this vigorous stirring it will. Okay, there we go. Fremont Street. I'm going to shoot these off camera. We got one more to go. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, and last but not least, I'll show you guys the white backer. See the yellows on there? There's some blue in there. The Abyss. I'm going to show you guys the black backer if we have any up in on there. Oh my Lord. The difference with the backers is crazy. Same protocol. Heaping dash. Oh boy. Heaping dash. We're going to do it just, this one's really fluffy. Is that enough? There. That will be enough for sure. Okay. Boy, on the white backer, you don't see any blue, but on that black backer, let's go. Let's get our 2 drops of black in. I think that's been pretty good. 1, 2. So 2 drops of black for a half a cup. 4 drops I mean, it's basically smoke, right? So this is just a reference of the Siren scales, which I really wanted to get across today. And then you guys can add these to your favorite recipe and your kind of taste palette. I know, like I'm looking at this one right now, and I'm like, I like that one a lot. I like blues, purple. Yeah, I mean, what's not to like? There's a lot of good colors there. Okay, guys, there. Oh boy, look at that chunker. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get the camera up, and I'm gonna actually show you guys 1 round of shooting, and then we're gonna get to the demolding and show these bad boys off. Stay tuned. Okay, gang, we are at the final step here. I'm gonna get you guys in for 1 shot. The plastisol is at around 330. I'm gonna show you guys what I do not recommend doing, and that's this whole procedure, but I just wanna make sure that we get a nice shot here. Make sure you're wearing safety devices if you're doing this way. Right there. Let that kind of drip out. Put that to the side. What's going on here? Come on. Yeah, there we go. Purge it out. Okay, and the last and final shot. Boom. I think I chose some really cool molds today to show you guys off. Did the 4.1 Epic Prey Bait and the 5.6 Epic Prey Bait. That's a tongue twister. These are going to showcase the brand new Siren scales really well. Oh man, these colors. Well, guys, that was it right there. That was 5 of Michael's brand new 25 colors lineup here. This is crazy. Again, let's let that 5.6 cool off, and then we'll showcase all of the brand new, not all of them, 5 of the new Siren scales from 8-Bit Baits. Stay tuned for that. Okay, gang, we are gonna do a couple live demoldings here. The first demolding, I am gonna show you guys Captain R Siren scales, the brand new one from Michael over at 8-Bit Baits. And 2 drops of black. Minimalistic color build here. But what we're doing here, we're showing off, let me show you that right there. Look at that goodiness. Let's take one off. Let's do this bait justice. Again, when Michael was out, we shot this bait. This is a bait that I don't have a lot of confidence in. And I should probably start fishing this a little bit more. I think that's more like a saltwater bait or something. Anyway, here we go. Gosh, look at that. Shifty. That's 2 drops of black. That right there you can fish all day long. Little smoky Siren scales. Okay, that was, I got to keep all these together because when we get to the outro, I want to make sure that we can go back over these. Okay, next demolding is the 5.6 inch prey bait. We did the prey baits today, and we are going to be looking at the Abyss. This one should be good. Let's get that in there. Sorry, I should have done this off camera, but this one was still hot. Okay, here we go. Again, heaping dash of all these Siren scales and 2 drops of black. Bam. Oh, Lord. I mean, come on now. I want to see if you guys can get in. I know there's yellow in here because I'm seeing it on that white background. Yes. Gosh, let me see if you guys can get that in the tail. Can you guys pick up any of that kind of yellowish? I don't know. I see it off camera right now. I see it actually. Let's get it off. Such cool baits. I was throwing that around last year for muskie and pike. Didn't end up getting any on like a beast hook. Look at this. Look at that mambo jumbo. Let me get this guy up there. Oh, look at that big monster siren scale in the tail. Anybody seen any of the yellow-ish? God, that is cool. Right there. Okay, let's get our ducks in a row. We got to put that one. I just want to make sure all these are lined up because I got 3 more to show you. Okay, guys, let's get over to the outro, and we'll get you through the final 3 that you haven't seen yet. Stay tuned for that. Okay, gang, let's get to those colors that we did not showcase yet. Starting with Twilight. Right here, you guys. Here is Twilight in the 5.6. Oh, Lord. Twilight. Twilight. Looking absolutely gorgeous. Greenish, goldish. Is that more yeah, that's more violet. Greenish, goldish, violet. Really cool. That one's nice. Where are we going now? Next one. Fremont Street. Fremont Street. God, these colors are cool. Guys, again, when these first came out, I was not a fan. I'm telling you, you put these in some baits, it's just a different ballgame. Look at the chunker right in there. Pinks, greens, yellows, all sorts of shiftiness going. I hope you guys are getting all that when I'm rotating this bait. Holy Moses. Pinks, yellows, greens, golds. Awesome. Last but not least, Amethyst. And this is in the 4.1. Oh, that's a beauty right there. That is a beauty right there. I'm seeing it from a distance. We got, now that's more purple. That's more purple. And I see some light green in there. I just hope you guys are picking that up on how I'm wiggling this thing around. Okay. Oh, that is nice. All right, gang. So that is a quick look at 5 of Michael's 25 new colors. Let's get to the outro, and we'll give you details on when this product is available. And if you are thinking about getting it, I'll show you where you can get them. Stay tuned for the outro. Well, guys, I want to thank you guys for tuning in for this midweek bonus edition over here at Bar Down Baits. Package came on Monday. I was like, okay, I got a plan here. We're going to pump out some Siren scales, some new stuff from Michael over at 8-Bit Baits. Now, again, guys, this video is coming out Wednesday at like 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. These products might be already live over at 8-Bit Baits, and I'll leave a link down below. Take you right over to his site. I think his wife or assistant or whoever was taking pictures for the website. Excuse me. So that was probably going today. I'll leave a link down below to that. Guys, I'm going to just go out on a limb and say that I'm pretty sure that these might fly off the shelves fairly quickly. So if you do like siren scales like I do, I would head on over to Michael's and maybe grab a couple before they're gone. I know I've had in the comment sections or on Instagram, people are always, when's the new shit? Like, what's going on? When's his new stuff coming in? When, you know, like, so I think if you do like his products and you do like siren scales, I would recommend stopping over at Michael's probably soon, because I think these things are probably going to fly off the shelves. Anyway, guys, that right there, we did 5 of his new colors. Again, he has 25 new colors. I know it's a lot, but they're all awesome. I've been staring at them for the last couple days here, and they are beauties. Really, really cool. And I am now in love with siren scales. It took me a while. It took me a while to use them, but ever since I started using them, I really like adding them to my soft plastic baits. That just adds a totally different new dimension. Guys, anyway, that's it for now. I think that one pieced together pretty well today. And as a matter of fact, I think it's actually kind of an in and out at Bar Down Baits, which is not normally the case here. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys got a really good in-depth look at the new siren scales from Michael, and I hope that reference helped you guys if you were looking forward to making any purchases. Guys, that's it for now. Mike Muller from Bar Down Baits signing off. Peace.